Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 Owon digital oscilloscopes. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 3, Owon HDS 242. Specifications. Brand name, Owon. Model number, HDS 242. Max waveform capture rate, 30,000 WFM/s. Record length, 8K. Real-time sampling rate, 200 MSA/s. DIY supplies, electrical. Bandwidth, 60 to 99 MHz. Digital channels, 2. Display resolution, 320 by 240 pixels. Display size, 3.0 to 4.9 inches. DMM maximum resolution, 20,000 counts. Certification, CE. Origin, mainland China. Product number 2, Owon SDS 1104. Specifications. Brand name, Owon. Model number, SDS 1104. Max waveform capture rate, 50,000 WFM/s. Record length, 20K. Real-time sampling rate, 1 GSA/s. DIY supplies, electrical. Bandwidth, 100 to 349 MHz. Digital channels, 4. Display resolution, 800 by 480 pixels. Display size, 7 inches and above. Certification, CE, ROSE. Product number 1, Owon SDS 220 SDS 220S. Specifications. Brand name, Owon. Model number, SDS 220. Max waveform capture rate, 50,000 WFM/s. Record length, 20 m. Real-time sampling rate, 1 GSA/s. DIY supplies, electrical. Bandwidth, 100 to 349 MHz. Digital channels, 2. Display size, 7 inches and above. Origin, mainland China.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.